going on, my YouTube fans, friends, and family? It's your boy, you know, Ed Murray, Murray Mini Motors, that guy. Back out here, another one. We got the speedmax coolster, 50cc, two-stroke. Probably about part 3, maybe on this one. The guy came back, he had blew the motor up on his, the top end. Went and bought a brand new one. She's back in, fully mounted. Exhaust. Same exhaust that came off. He bought the cheaper version of the motor. It didn't come with the exhaust. It also didn't come with the throttle body that you see right there for the carburetor. It didn't come with this. So we had to add that. I used the original off of there. It also didn't come with the hardware to mount the motor. 4 bolts it takes. Some may take 3. Gotta put the air filter back on it. It did come with the air filter. Exhaust. It didn't come with the exhaust neither. Like I said already. Yeah. We put some fresh gas in it already. I think I'm running about 40 to 1 right now. Trying to keep some more oil in there. It's a fresh start. Wanted to break in nice. It's the kill switch right here. There wasn't one on here when I had it. I mean, not when I had it, the customer got it. We'll see if he wants to get one put on. You can just close the choke. Give me a second right here. You just close the choke on it. A lot of times that'll kill the motor too. So let's see if she starts up. Probably take a couple of pulls. It's always anxious, always anxiety, I mean to say, I guess, on the first start. You never know what you're going to get. Here we go. I'm hoping she don't rev up high or nothing. Take off on you, you know. I already checked for spark, even though it's a brand new motor. Still check for spark. I think what I'm gonna do is try to be a little safer about this. I'm staying in the way. That way, if she does decide to take off, she won't go nowhere. At least not far. Let's see, boy. Our fingers crossed. See if we get this guy back up and going. That's some good compression. What do y'all think? Comment down below. Subscribe. Notification bell. Catch future videos dropping. Maybe this one here for a little test run on the new one. You know, DIYs. I got it all in there, man. All kind of bikes. Comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Get to know your boy and what I do out here, man. Murray Mini Motors. Hit me on Facebook too, at Ed Mini Motors. Murray. Check me out on there too. Let's see. Will she start? You see it. You see it. What was that, second pull? First pull, really? Choke on. Go ahead, choke down. You see it. Wow. One pull, y'all. One pull, I'm out here. All you need to this, man. That good old blue smoke. Y'all see it, baby. Another one. Another one. Oh, yeah. Let's see what we got going on here. Get y'all set up here real quick. Well, y'all see it. She runs. We got no leaks. None of that going on. She's starting right up. I'll adjust the idle screw in a little bit. As of right now, get it to break in. A couple things I got to do still. You gotta tighten the rear shock bolt right here. In order to get the exhaust on, you have to remove one of them bolts to get the shock out the way, preferably the bottom one, like I did. I'll tighten that back up. We'll drop the air filter on there. We'll get her broken in, run a couple of cycles with it, rev it up, let it cool down. Therefore, you know, I'll let it cool down right now, 3 or 4 minutes, maybe 5, and tighten them bolts up like I said in the meantime. So, yeah, I'm liking it, man. Y'all comment. You thought it wouldn't run? Well, I was a little nervous too, but we see now, huh? Don't we? What's going on, man? So you see it, man. You got another dead bike back to life, man. You know, another good feeling for me, of course, man. As you can see, you know. Y'all check out my videos. You see we got a little bit of rain out here in the ground, man. You know. Like a lot of time when it rains, it pours, man. You know, my bikes be firing up then. So I really don't be upset if I'm working in the